Hey guys, alright, so very quickly just wanted to create this video, a notification of sorts to let you know that we have a training session which is now live on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/PMC Lounge. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. So we have a 1.5 hour training session up there. If you're someone who is looking to get started in the domain of project management, or if you're someone who's looking to start studying about your PMP exam, start studying for the PMP exam, and you're wondering where to start, so that is your one-stop shop. That is your one video that is going to get you started, kick-started, and welcome you to the world of project management. So it is a 1.5 hour training session, like I mentioned, and it talks about, first it talks about the basics. So we talk about project, we talk about project management, we talk about who a project manager is, and then we take a step ahead. We dive deeper and we talk about PMO, Project Management Office, and the types of PMO. We talk about project constraints. We talk about organizational structures, the types of organizational structures, right? So not just the basics. We've got your basics covered first, and then we take a step ahead, and then we take one more step further, and we talk about certain items, certain materials from the PMP courseware. So we talk about your project management life cycles, the different types of project management life cycles as per your PMP courseware. We talk about the process groups and the 5 process groups, which is initiation, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. So all those 5 process groups, what are the tasks that you as a project manager should be doing in those 5 process groups? So we cover that as well. So we cover a lot of ground in this 1.5 hour training session. It is available for free for everyone. First link in the description is going to take you there. So check that out, check that video out. It is definitely going to be helpful. Like I said, if you're someone starting to prepare for your PMP exam, or if you're someone who's looking to get into the domain of project management, that is the video that should be your gateway to the world of project management. I've already sent out a notification email to our subscribers, both on our YouTube channel as well as the pmclounge.com website. So subscribe to both of these YouTube channel. You already know how to subscribe. On pmclounge.com website, if you scroll to the bottom, you will see the notification email subscriber, right? So you can kind of give your email address there, and that's how you'll start receiving email notifications from pmclounge.com website. So you can do that. Follow us on our social media, facebook.com/PMCLounge and twitter.com/PMCLounge. So those are some of the places where you can kind of connect with us, so that you know whenever we publish content on project management. That's all that I had in this video. Subscribe to the channel, and first link in the description is going to take you to that amazing 1.5 hour training session, your gateway to the world of project management. Thank you and have a nice day.